Welcome back to episode 2 of Sichuan School, a series where we're going to make authentic-ish Sichuan food from scratch. In this video, we'll be rounding out our pantry by preparing a simple yet versatile Sichuan peppercorn oil. Oh, and just between me and you, these Sichuan School videos are made to be watched sequentially, so I'm gonna link the first one down in the description below.
As I said before, this is a stupid easy recipe and technique. We're going to be infusing a half a cup of neutral cooking oil with 2 tablespoons of Sichuan peppercorns. The one thing with this oil is that it loses that numbing and tingly sensation from the peppercorns over time. So I found this is the perfect amount to make to use it all up before it loses that edge. So we'll just combine those peppercorns and oil into a heavy bottom pot and give them a nice stirry mix stir. And we're gonna pop that baby on low heat and let it hang out on the burner for, maybe about a half an hour. If you've got a thermometer, which I highly recommend you pick up, you're looking to keep this at about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the heat low, do not burn or toast these spices. After that half an hour, that's it. You're gonna let that cool off and then pour it into a container, including the peppercorns. I like to keep mine in one of these flip-top oil dispensers, so it's always ready to go for a dish like this Bang Bang chicken.
So I bet that I know what you're thinking about right now. But Linus, why bother making peppercorn oil if I can just use the peppercorns themselves? Seems like an extra step to me. Well, if you're occasionally a lazy son of a gun like I am, this oil saves you from having to toast and then grind peppercorns every time you want to use them in a recipe. And maybe more importantly, the oil is much more effective at distributing that numbing sensation throughout a dish. Plus, it has a fantastic texture, which is really important in Sichuan cuisine. In the next episode of Sichuan School, we're going to use this same oil infusion technique and apply it to make our Sichuan hot oil. So please subscribe to stay tuned in for that. It really does help me out. Later, nerds!
Crash Course Kitchen. Crash Course